Did we go to Bliss?
Go Bliss.
Go Bliss. Did you get a smoothie? Come on. Let's see the water. Yummy. You want my hand? Spent the day with Grandpa. No, you don't put that in the water. No, no, no. Oh my God. Yeah, that's what he does lately. Oh my gosh. Okay, how do we get it? How do we get it? And he knows he's so cute, he doesn't get in trouble. Oh, there it goes. There it goes. Mommy has to take her shoes off for this one. Let's see. Let's see. No, you don't. Okay, let's go get it. Oh, Leo. What are we gonna do? How are we gonna get that smoothie? We're gonna have to wait for it. Yeah.
Right where you are.
What are you looking for?
Thanks for just doing that.
Yeah, no, he threw it in. It's mine.
Oh, okay.
Do you need
There's
something?
A fish, like, right
oh.
for you.
Oh. Oh my gosh.
It's actually
I see
a
it.
salmon nest, so we should be careful.
Are you guys fishing?
Oh, that's cool.
Is that it? Yeah. Look at that red rock.
Wow.
It's pretty rare to have them up here.
It almost looks like an eel.
So that's why
It looks like two.
Yeah.
That's amazing. Yeah, there's a fishy. I got the smoothie you threw in. Come on. Baby. No, I'm not giving you the cup. Well, that's her smoothie now, filled with water. What did you do? What did you do? I wasn't expecting that. I'm freezing. Woo! See what? Should I dip you in the water? He'd like it anyways. Down in the water. Do you want to put your feet in? wanted you to figure that on your own. Is it cold?
Cut.
Water. No, you're not throwing your shoes in, silly.